Should I buy expensive HVAC filters? Usually no, because a moderately priced filter with the correct rating and regular replacement often protects your system and air quality just as well as a very expensive one. The best filter depends on your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, your household, and the air problems you are trying to manage. Look at the filter slot or owner's manual to find the correct size, because a filter that does not fit can let dust pass around the edges. Check the minimum efficiency reporting value rating, which is a scale showing how well a filter catches different particle sizes. A rating around 8 to 11 is often a practical choice for many homes, while a very high rating can make it harder for air to move through older systems. When airflow is restricted, the system may run longer, use more electricity, cool or heat unevenly, and possibly suffer damage. People with allergies, asthma, pets, or indoor smoke may benefit from a better filter, but the filter must still be approved for the equipment. One detail many people miss is that a thicker filter is not automatically better because a thin filter with a high rating may clog quickly. Check the filter about once a month, hold it up to a light, and replace it when it looks gray, packed with dust, or reaches the replacement time listed by the manufacturer. A common mistake is buying the highest rating without checking the system, so confirm the recommended rating in the owner's manual or ask a heating and cooling professional. Another mistake is waiting until the filter is visibly filthy, so create a calendar reminder and inspect it monthly, especially during heavy heating or cooling seasons. Some people also assume a costly filter removes every indoor pollutant, but filters mainly capture particles, so control moisture, clean surfaces, and use proper ventilation for odors and gases. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JawBitTier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.